All right. Hello, my friends. It is your friend. Maybe your best friend, hopefully, on YouTube, CryptoFace. And I got to tell you, this is about the 7th time that I've tried to start the beginning of recording this video because, man, there's a few things I want to say, and I just don't know which order to say it. I'm a little rusty because I haven't been putting out content lately, and there's a couple reasons for that. Couple big main reasons for why I haven't been able to stream, really able to trade. And I haven't really been talking about because I'm almost embarrassed by it. But I might need to call upon you guys to. We might have to do a Twitter barrage because well, I'm just gonna come out and say it. You know, I am not. I don't hide money in Cayman Islands. I don't use I don't use a chain of attorneys in 6 different shell companies to dodge pay. I don't dodge paying taxes. And I try to fly straight and have everything recorded as much as possible. But the days of being able to just set up an account with an email and boom, buy millions, even hundreds of thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars in crypto, to me seem like they're over. Because this Coinbase shit of them having my account frozen, and I know you guys have you've seen me talk about it and tweet about it weeks, even a month ago, and I haven't even wanted to say it, but they will not unfreeze my account. And God, I've sent them everything. Taxes, statements, business, back-end merchant account shit. And you know, when I call, I just get a customer service. At least they have a person to answer the phone now, but they cannot get me to the God, what's the department called? The department that I need to talk to, the people that go over everything. They only communicate by email, and they're worse than YouTube and Google, where you can actually get. I cannot get a. They will not get me to a live person. And they will not tell me exactly what I'm missing. I'm missing nothing. They've got everything on me. And the Gemini, the Maruzi twins, whatever the fuck their name is, those guys did it to me first years ago too. They had no pay. They didn't respond. They straight up shut me down. I had to go to Coinbase. Everything was great for a while, and you know, I'm trying to open up other accounts with these guys, but you can't. The days of just opening up a new crypto account and buying 100,000 millions of dollars, I feel like are over. Now things are just different, man. And so what I'm saying is, I know I kind of went off on a blow-off tangent, but I have to make sure I can cover payroll. And I don't know, hopefully it's soon, but I'm dealing with robots on trying to unfreeze my accounts. I don't want to do shady shit. And so really that's the main reason why you guys haven't been seeing me trading. And you know, I tried streaming without showing a trade. I was in a trade on, but not the normal account. I didn't want to show it, but I tried streaming when I wasn't in a trade and I didn't know what to do. It did not feel comfortable for really the first half and in the second half. So the truth is right now, guys, my hands are pretty much tied. I have to make sure I have enough money to cover payroll for a good amount of time. And that's basically why you haven't seen me around. Maybe it's to be honest, probably been a blessing in disguise. So, that being said, I hope everyone's doing good. Those of you, if you are trading, I hope you're kicking ass. I'm still here. I ain't going nowhere. I think I might be going to consensus, by the way. But enough about me. Let's talk about what we're here to talk about, which is there are 5 Bitcoin cryptocurrencies that I am keeping my eye on, accumulating, thinking about keeping my eye on for accumulating, and for content's sake, I figured we'd make a video about it and have a little fun. So, if you're one of those people, half of you've probably stopped watching this damn video already. But if you think I'm going to sit here and be in a rush, I haven't been making videos and I'm going to take my time. I just like I tell my beautiful girlfriend, the most beautiful girl in the world. So I haven't seen a more beautiful girl than my girlfriend yet. I say when we're in the sack, I say, baby. When I won't go into too many details, but I say, baby, I'm gonna take my time. So, folks, today we're gonna take our time and have a good time. By the way, before we get started, shout out to my Market Cipher people. Big news coming. Mike Perry has got a fight coming up. We got him again for sponsor. Also, Spartan has a combat jiu-jitsu event. I think he's got a championship fight coming up as well in the next month or two. And we have a special surprise of a very big, if you're into MMA, you know this fighter. I'm not going to reveal it yet who it's going to be. I'll reveal it like a week before the fight, but we got a big one. We got another big one that we're going to be sponsoring too. I can't wait for it. So, yeah. So the top 5. Let's get to the top 5. Number 1. Who am I kidding? Number 1, obviously, Bitcoin. So let's take a look. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin. And I ain't got no promises. I ain't telling you I know what's going to happen. All right? But let's see if we can maybe see what's going to happen. I forgot how to operate trading. You haven't traded so long. Feel like 2 week. All right, yeah, whatever. It looks like shit on the 2 week. Now, here's what I wanted to start off with the weekly. Okay. We kind of saw this coming as far as a potential for a little bit of a bounce. To be honest with you, this is not the strongest VWAP. Obviously, it's straight semi-indented. We do have a momentum clip. There is room for just a minor bounce. I mean, I would say maybe best case scenario into like 36, 37,000 if we're lucky, man. If like, yeah. Today, the beginning of the day, boy, it was looking good, feeling good. But this is volatile, man. Look at these candles. Wow. Look at these candles. Look how, boom, 15% in one, and then look at this way. Wow, whoa. So this shit this is some volatile price action that I would not be surprised if this thing goes seeing 36K back down to 28K to 34K. So we're in for some more volatility. Money, the money flows looking thin, hella thin on this time frame, and just it is what it is. Don't get chopped. This morning, everyone, I already know. This morning, everyone was feeling bullish as hell. There was already tweets about this is the bottom. It's the bottom. All in, go all in. And the air got sucked out of that really quick. And that will most likely continue to happen. 99% chance. That's the weekly. Zoom in a little bit here. I'm looking at the 5-day. The 3-day. Go to the 3-day. The dual band strength index number is looking bullish. Obviously increasing. We got a 25 on the bull. Weakest number, -5 on the bear. That's good. That's bullish in the meantime. 17, 18 on the 2-day. A little bit of turbulence here on the daily. This morning was looking at these split RSIs. And if you don't know, again, when these two RSI lines are closer, the move is stronger. When they're split, you better watch out. And the price can move. In this case, this price can move up, but most likely, very most likely, it's going to get knocked down. Yeah. This is too much, too fast, not strong enough. Too fast to be trustworthy. Take a look at the Sig Sauer. It just this I don't trust anything. I don't trust anything. Hope you guys are being careful. I hope you guys are being responsible, man. Don't be one of those people just getting trapped in longs going, I longed and oh shit, I was in agreement just a tiny bit. No. Anyways. That's all I got to say about that. That's really all I got to say. This 30K, you know, as far as like DCAing and you know, hodling type points, 30K to me, you know, is a point. It was 30K, and then, you know, you could say the 20K, and then, you know, 15 or whatever. But I do believe, you know, 30K is not a bad price. You know, to you know, I've had a couple friends, couple YouTubers, couple other friends message me, you know, saying they bought some at 30K. Cool. So, you know, cool. 30K, there is a percentage probability that could be, it could be. You know, my brother made the point of, you know, when we start seeing emails of people from who signed up with Market Cipher or my trade group or something from 4 years ago, and they're asking for money back, or people just asking for money on Twitter. Man, we've been getting a lot of those. Man, we've been getting a lot of those. You know, those are times of bottom times. And I've said it before, I'll say it again. All I'm saying is either this is the bottom, or, you know, we're pretty close. Relatively. 15,000 is another 15% drop. We've already been through a $60, you know, this was 60, 62. At the current price, it's 56. This has been dropping for a while. 200 days. Price has been going down for damn near a year. Shit. Almost 2/3 of the year, the time's been going by. Time is going by. And man, that is a good thing. The time is going by. So, you know, the good news is we've been in the red. We are in the red. How long was this one? This last one was 363 days, almost exactly a year. The following, and then that was followed by a 300% pump, more than that actually, right? Is that when we went from 3 to 14? So yeah, 300, 340, 300%. And then we dropped again. How long was this total? Total, and we'll say to right here before it start going up, 718 days. You know, so hey, maybe we're already a third of the way through. Worst case scenario, we just have to go through this 2 more times. Anyways. All right, so that's Bitcoin. You know, it is what it is. Whatever. Yeah, I'm cool with buying some at 30K. You know, yeah, sure, 20K and 15 and 7 and whatever. So let's get to the real top 5 that the secrets everyone wants to know about. In no particular order. Tron. Number 2 is Tron. And man, I probably get more questions. I get more questions on why I like Tron more than anything else. And it's really simple. People hate on Tron. Normally when you hear someone like, oh, say Tron sucks, or oh, Tron, what are you thinking? Normally, number one, they are not a crypto company, do not own a crypto company, or like don't really work for one. Or at least doesn't work in finance on one. Really, the main reason people hate on Tron is because, oh, Justin Sun, oh, I don't like him. Oh, some guy like won a Tesla and he didn't get it or some shit. Something like that. Well, let me tell you my truth about Tron. The dollars and cents. Tron is an OG coin. It is battle tested. There are, Tether, for example. When we were doing, when I had to pay out people that do work for me or work for me, you pay them an ETH. We pay anywhere from, on the low side, maybe $10. There was times where we were paying $50, $75 to send a Ethereum transaction. It's the same cost with Tether ERC20. And that is not, that is 20 times worse than any credit card fee or merchant fee. Sometimes even more. Tron TRC20 Tether costs maybe 10 cents. Big, from exchanges to screw America, screw the West. Okay, when you go out to the East, when you talk to the Eastern world in crypto, they use Tron and TRC20 is tethered Tron. There's the ERC20, which is the Ethertron, and there's the Tethertron TRC20. They use TRC20. It's safe. So it is my knowledge, it's compared to, whatever. I haven't had any problems. It's fast. Fast, cheap. It's been around for a long time. And people talk shit. People talk shit to me about using Tron. Same people that, and I'm not trying to throw salt, but people that were all in on Luna and Do Kwon. Nice smile, friendly guy. Look what happened with that shit. 20% APR. And you have the nerve to talk shit about Tron. Listen, Bill Gates, invented the computer. We all of you use computers and phones. And I'm pretty sure most of you think Bill Gates is a dick. But here you are, using your phone and using your computer. So, go ahead and throw it in the trash. Take your computer and throw it out the window if you think Bill Gates is a piece of shit. Because guess what? Most people that invented and are the heads of the technology you use are assholes. Even Bitcoin. Craig Wright. Look, Craig Wright. I'm going to hear shit for that. Oh, you think meme lawn is so bad? Yeah, you're driving a Tesla. You think Nancy Pelosi sucks? Yeah, you're eating Star-Kissed tuna. So welcome to the real world. So anyways, I love Tron, man. It saved me money. I love using it. And it's let's take a look here from the bottom. What's it gone up here just from the 80% from the wick bottom? 80% from the wick bottom. Let's look at Bitcoin. What did Bitcoin do from the wick bottom? It's less volatile. Well, no, that's not the percent. No, it's not. I'm wrong because the percentages are bigger swings. So Bitcoin's up 26%. What about ETH? ETH 18%. Tron 80%. And you know, our sides are a little split here, but to be honest, the chart to me looks better than a lot of other cryptos out there. It's got foundation. And you know, if anything, man, the foundation, like, to me, if I'm buying crypto for long term, I'm not buying the newest shiny stupid object offering the highest APR yield farm bullshit. You know, I want to go with what has been tried and tested since the beginning, you know? And Tron's pretty much been there since the beginning, man. So, number 2 is Tron. All right. So, let's talk about number 3. My third Bitcoin cryptocurrency coin that I'm keeping my eye on, thinking about accumulating, or thinking about buying, thinking about accumulating, is Monero. And you know, really, when I say Monero, I mean privacy coins. Now, Monero also, just like our previous coin, as of today, is up 70, 80% from its bottom. Not saying it ain't going to go down lower, just saying. Not saying it ain't going to go down lower, I'm just saying. In the long term, I really don't need to say why, but I think the private coins, the whole Russia thing, the conspiracy is that this is Russia. That Russia is, I mean, Monero's like the ultimate, you only got 12 words, that's your account. If you lose those 12 words, you lose it all. Real private coin, it's a real, as far as the mainstream crypto, privacy right there. Also, I would say Zcash is Monero and Zcash. This 12-hour all these RSI, it all looks the same. Comes out, it's going to get knocked down. But privacy, you know, the whole point of crypto to me is to be able to send money anywhere, anytime, without any middlemen or middle women, corporations. Fast, cheap, no one breathing down your neck. And privately is attached to that as well. So I like the OG, battle-tested. Doesn't mean that everything has to have gone perfect in the past. What business, what venture, that's been over 5 or 10 years old has just had a perfect, smooth sailing sail? Everyone runs into problems. Nothing's perfect. And it's really how you bounce back. How they bounce back from something going wrong. And I think Monero and, Tron and Zcash and, they've bounced back. They've all had problems and they're still here. Litecoin, maybe. I don't know how private that is, but so we're gonna go with that. Also, when I think of Monero, I think of John McAfee. He's the one who said Monero. I think McAfee liked Monero. I know McAfee liked Monero. And that guy was living in the middle of the damn sea. That guy had to use privacy tokens. So I would imagine that, he probably had a decent pulse on privacy token. All right. Jesus. So, what number was that? 3? All right. Yeah, this is a long video today, folks. You got to get your fix and, you're getting your CF fix since, we can't be streaming. Our 4th Bitcoin crypto token that I'm having my eye on buying or accumulating or thinking about it is oil, baby. And folks, what's been going on? Oh my. Oh. Wow. Would you look at that? We're at 116. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Boy, you're feeling it at the pump, eh? Everyone's feeling it at the pump. Again, gas stations reprogramming their signs so they can have a $10 a gallon on the sign. These predicaments that the world is in, the U.S. sending billions, as Pena would say, billion. My friends lost billions. Putin, he's behind Bitcoin. Putin. Remember that speech? That shit was funny as hell. Yeah, I don't think this, these elitist wars, they don't end quickly. They go on, and, in my opinion, again, if you're new to the channel, if you're still watching this video, God bless you. But November 5th, we went ham into oil, and man, has it paid off. What are we up so far since November 5th? of 2020. Man, has the time gone by. Golly. All right, let's see here. June, July, that's August, September, November. All right, November 20. We'll even be conservative and say $42. I think it was 36. Oil, as of today, is up 172%. That's actually more than that. We want to be exact. Okay, the high of November 5th was 39.62. 39.62. As of today, up 200%. Even touched 250%. This is a bull run. And look at this momentum, right? You draw the momentum. It's the momentum is thick at the top. This is what crypto people wish they had right now. It's the opposite for crypto, but oil. And look, this is just consolidating. Look what's been happening. Okay, look at the flow of cash. Gone up, then the flow of cash slowed down a little bit. Then boom, then it slowed down, consolidate. Boom, so like I said, boom, 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 and it's about to have enough. Boom, and the price is gonna keep going. I want to yell and scream like a jackal jester into this microphone because man, I love oil right now. It's given us a place of hope, a light in a very dark tunnel for the past 2 years. And I think we got at least 2 more years. Let's take a look at natural gas too. You know, oh, yes. Oh, it's better. Oh, it's breaking the pattern upward even more. Not gonna stop. Not gonna stop. All right, folks. We're kind of getting. We're coming to the end, folks. We are coming to the end, and we saved the best for last. And I don't think many of you are expecting this one, but my 5th and final. And this is a super secret squirrel. Normally, if you wanted this type of information, you got to pay me like 10 to 20 grand a month. This one that I'm about to tell you guys, I'm really doing you a favor. And some of my super close whales, my private groups, my Saudi princes, are going to be a little upset at me for leaking this one. But, you know, it's been a long time. I haven't been able to stream. I hopefully I can get this Coinbase and this the FTX. These, I'm trying to open up these exchanges, and they're all giving me a hard time. Hopefully I can get it figured out so we can get back to streaming trading soon. But because of that, I am now going to present you number 5. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Beanie Babies. Now, I want you to take a look at this chart. This is Nip the cat. Now, in 2016, it was selling for 90 cents. Nip the cat is now at $10.48. That is 1,000x. And folks, listen, if you've been in crypto you know that this chart is just getting started. Does this look like it's topped out to you? Because it don't to me. The nostalgia, you know, top, they just re-released Top Gun. Everyone loves it. They remade Batman, all these, you know, the nostalgia is in. There was Beanie Babies that were worth 50 grand that have gone down 99.5%, 99.9%. If that ain't a bottom, I don't know what else is. You remember the little chart that showed you the different types of tags? You better pull it out of the old garage in the attic and dust it off. I think Beanie Babies are going to make a comeback in some fashion. Whether it could be some shitter NFT, it could be a video game. But I think Beanie Babies are going to make a secret comeback. And you heard it here first. Ladies and gentlemen, hope you had a good time. I know I did. And like I said, you know, it is what it is. Time goes by. Don't do anything stupid. To the best of your ability. And, you know, I'm still here. And, yeah. Got some special things coming. And I just want to say again, thank you guys. You know, I appreciate it. And even, you know, no matter, you know, any problem I have in the grand scheme of things, you know, I'm lucky to have them. You know, I'm a self-made guy, and I've had nothing, and sometimes you just gotta sit back and count your blessing and realize this. Someone else, you know, they say the grass is always greener on the other side. There's another side of grass. There's grass that is always browner on the other side. That's the truth. Someone's always got, no matter what situation you think you're in, someone's got it worse. And so, yeah. Thank you guys. It's been fun. Hope you're entertained, and you'll have a good rest of your day.